makes sense. Because this junction's a nasty junction.
Yeah, but then, so you come to Kidderminster, we won't be able to go down there.
You'll be able to go that way, yeah.
Oh.
But this won't be here
Oh,
anymore.
this is closing off, yeah.
And
Right.
they're moving it
Got
down there
you,
somewhere.
right.
See, yeah, look, see what happens to this
Yeah,
road.
look at that. Oh, interesting.
Hey, up. Electric thing, you're up the wrong side of the road.
My goodness me. There's two of them. You've both had the sense to stop. Oh dear.